Are you looking to maximize your online shopping experience with Leonardo AI Unlimited Credit while safeguarding your privacy using temporary email simple? In this video, we'll explore the benefits of Leonardo AI Unlimited Credit, the convenience of temporary email simple for privacy, and guide you on accessing and utilizing the unlimited credit effortlessly. Enhance your privacy and security by setting up a temporary email address for online activities. Explore services like Temp Mail or Gorilla Mail to generate a disposable email for account registrations. Remember to monitor your temporary email inbox for any verification emails to complete the sign-up process seamlessly. To unlock the benefits of unlimited credit on Leonardo AI, head to their website and hit the Sign Up button. Input your name, email, and password as prompted. Don't forget to verify your email address to activate your account and start harnessing the power of limitless resources for your projects. Discover the full potential of Leonardo AI's unlimited credit in tandem with temporary email for optimal results. Dive into various AI features, leveraging the unlimited credit to its fullest. Utilize temporary email for creating multiple accounts and testing diverse scenarios, hassle-free. Stay informed about new features and updates to maximize your experience with the service. In conclusion, harnessing Leonardo AI's unlimited credit alongside temporary email offers a winning formula for enhanced productivity and security. Remember the benefits of this dynamic duo and dive into the endless possibilities it unlocks. Don't forget to engage with us by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more insights on AI tools and privacy strategies.